Hey everyone, and welcome to my new channel, Drones, Guns, and Automobiles. My name is Bill, and today I have my 2020 Ram Rebel in the shop. Doing a simple brake job. These brakes have got 81,000 miles on them. The most I've ever got out of a set of brake pads ever in my life. So anyway, we're going to change the brakes.
Need a 12mm socket or wrench to remove the two bolts that is holding the caliper on. Rock the caliper back and forth to push the piston in. I made a large S-shaped hanger from a welding rod to be able to hang the caliper safely without putting tension on the brake line or wires. Remove the used brake pads. I noticed that even after 81,000 miles, my old brake pads look nearly new. What the hell? Is this normal? Please leave a comment if you know. I will save the old ones for emergency purposes. Remove old retainers and install new ones. Install new brake pads. Reinstall the caliper. Tighten the two bolts to 26 foot-pounds. To remove the front caliper, remove the two 16mm bolts. Use the hanger to hold caliper safely. Remove used pads. Remove old retainers and install new ones. Install new brake pads. I'm old school and I use a large C-clamp to push in both caliper pistons. Just be slow.
Okay. So, I just did the whole back brakes on this side and I didn't push record. But I've been talking to myself this whole time. Look at my suspension. I can see it now. Alright, that's it. Right here. These off, and again they look, I don't know, brand new. Last week. of there. Never forget it again. Okay. So we tighten this to 18 foot.
Tighten to 24 foot-pounds.
That's it. Click, click. Click, click. And voila. Done with another one.